Hi guys, happy Sunday. We are on our way home from Vegas and we stopped at Victorville to get Freddy's. I got the patty melt and then Papa Bear and I are sharing the chili cheese fries. When you substitute your regular fries for chili cheese fries, this is how much they give. Like, it's huge. And he doesn't like raw onions, so I only put the onions on my side. Oh, I will. I'm gonna put more. The best.
Better than Tommy's, damn it.
Way better than Tommy's.
Leave Tommy in the dust.
Oh, and we got this hot sauce from Alien Fresh Jerky. We're gonna try it. And then got the jalapeno fry sauce.
Yep.
I want to show them the hot sauce.
Really? Yeah.
Look, this is the hot sauce that we got. Salvation sauce. It's garlic serrano. It comes with a little Bible. And the heat level, it says 7 out of 10, so it's probably really hot.
Oh, I like it.
I want to try a little bit on here.
Hey, hold on. Before you take a bite, I'll take a bite too.
Yeah. Put some on yours. I think it comes out fast or... Oh, okay.
No,
slow.
okay.
Good. Because I didn't want a lot.
Where?
Just right here. That's good. Thank you. Okay, I had like
Cheers.
3 little drops on there. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ready?
Yeah.
I think I need a lot more. It's hot though. I'm gonna try it with more. Hold on. Okay, we put a lot more this time. It's a lot of vinegar. It's like a vinegary hot sauce, but the flavor is good. Yeah, it's really good. It's not that hot actually. I really thought it would be hotter. You like it?
Yeah. It's not that hot.
It's not that hot, but the flavor is good.
It's got a pungent flavor.
On the fries, it would probably be really good too.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay. We put the hot sauce on the fries.
That is like a good flavor blend.
Yes.
You're just gonna try it on everything now?
For me, the heat level, I wouldn't say it's 7 out of 10. I would say it's like 3.
Yeah,
Really,
4.
barely anything.
But it just like adds a little more flavor.
Yeah.
You want to try some on your burger? Your patty
No, thank
melt?
you.
There. Get it away. Oh, right there. Right here?
Thank you. That's good. Try it with more hot sauce. Even more than before.
Because that Bible was in the way.
Yeah, it's not hot. I mean, it's very mild, but very good flavor. I like it a lot with the fries too. This is the jalapeno fry sauce. And we got a couple. We only bought 2 beef jerkies, like 2 packs. They're $11 each, or 2 for $20. So we just bought 2. So we'll try them later. Oh, what is that, Dr. Pepper?
Yes.
I was scared it was gonna be really spicy.
I know, me
Not
too.
at all.
I thought the hot sauce was going to be burning. They have really skinny fries here.
That chili cheese fry is good for 2 people.
Yeah, I showed them, and I was telling them, like, when you upgrade your fries to chili cheese, this is what they give you, this big tray. That's huge. That's definitely for 2 people.
They give so many fries.
AJ and Vanessa both got the same thing, patty melt.
Oh yeah.
And Papa Bear got the double bacon
Steak burger.
steak burger.
This has been my number 1 since day 1.
Yeah, the very first time you tried Freddy's, you got the patty melt, right?
Yep.
I like
What was
how-
that? The 2020?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Whenever we tried new food, we're in the car. Like we tried this in the car, and we tried canes in the car. We tried.
Oh, and Mom was still nervous.
I was a little bit nervous.
Well, what?
Still getting used to me.
When we went to Vegas in December of 2020, we spent a week with Papa Bear, but we were still like, our relationship was new. That was good. So good.